Hello everyone, this is DG47. Today we are here at a long abandoned Domino's. This place is really small and it's also really empty. But this place has been closed for years. I think around 2008 or 2009 is when it closed. I don't even think it has power anymore. So there's just nothing going on here. Someone knocked over the air conditioner. Yeah, all the switches are off. They probably just cut the power. I'm guessing that's where the trash can was. You can kind of see the parking spaces. It's all just... This will be a good shot for Instagram. Oh yeah, in case you didn't know, I have an Instagram page where I post extra photos from my adventures. So if you like this location, be sure to go over there and check out the extra photos. But yeah, so this is where one of the signs were on the building, in case you're wondering. I mean, this had all the old logos. Little handicap sign. Yeah, there's not much left of this place. There really isn't. Somebody needs to cut these plants. Here's a little inside view. There's really not much here. I see a little rack or something in the corner there. That's about it. There's just nothing here. Oh, there's a few ceiling tiles missing. Alright, well, that's about it for this time. See you next time, adventurists. Peace.